guys, it's Melissa and welcome back to my channel. First of all, I just want to say thank you so much to all my new subscribers. I see you guys and I really appreciate it, and I hope you stay with me on this journey. So today I have a review on this this amazing, beautiful, gorgeous hair, and to find out more of what I think of this hair, and to watch me touching my hair a lot more, because I just could not help it when I was filming. I was so in love with it. So if you want to see more on this beautiful wig, then keep on watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Oh, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share with all your friends and family. I'm trying to be more proactive this year, so yeah. But yeah, anyway guys, thank you guys for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Toodaloo. So the wig that I got was the Outre lace front wig inspired by BATIK bundle hair, and it's the Dominican Blowout straight, this baby here. And I got in the color DR2730, which is the color that the model is wearing, and it's a lace L-part parting wig. Is heat resistant, safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So let's just open it up. It comes in this little box and I bought it on afrostyling.com. That's why I typically buy most of my wigs, just because the shipping isn't like as expensive. Ooh, that's the little card there, and then it's got the care guide at the back, which I'll show you in a minute. So this is what it comes in, this little kind of thing. I'm just gonna like chuck it to the side, and then yeah, it's got the care guide at the back and the step-by-step information on how to like cut the lace and put the wig on, and you know, everything. And then the care guide just says how to best take care of it, and this is especially good if you're like a beginner, but it's good anyway, beginner or not beginner. And I'm just gonna take some scissors, just, you know, simple scissors. The care guide's on the floor, pick that up in a minute. And take it out of its net. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, babes. This off. And then I'm just gonna cut this off, and this is the hair. It is so pretty and so full. It is yucky texture, and oh, it's so pretty. I've actually had this wig before, so yeah, that is kind of like the parting space. I'll probably tweeze that part a little bit more because it's not looking that realistic at the moment. The lace is really hard. So just gonna cut the lace, tweeze the part a little bit and put the wig on, and I shall be back in a tick. So this is what the wig looks like. Obviously it is a L-part lace wig, so it's actually meant to go like to the left of me. It's meant to go on the side, but not that into side partings. I really like prefer middle partings on me. So I just put it in the middle, and because of that, I haven't stuck it down yet. Because of that, it's kind of like where that's meant to be there, it's at the back, but you know, it's a small precaution we have to take. Yes, this is all the hair at the front. It's about, I don't know, 18 to 20 inches. Yeah, about 18 to 20, and I really like this color. I haven't done anything to the part yet, just because I wanted you guys to see like how it comes as. This wig is very very, very big head friendly, because I've got quite a big head and it fits so snug on. There's an adjustable strap at the back, a clip at the back, and 2 clips at the front, one like there and the other there, which you can just kind of like shove it in to make it like a bit tighter, but I haven't like put them in. So yeah, this is the hair. I'm in love with this. It does come in so many colors, including number 1, 1B, 2, 4, S1B30, which is the one that I had before. I'll probably insert a picture somewhere on the video. I actually had this wig, the same wig, this time last year, and it was one of my favorite wigs. Unfortunately, I kind of ruined it, which we won't get into. And then S1B33, S1BBU, BH42730, BH950, 425, DR2730, DR30, and DR425. Those are the colors that you can get. This is like the stock card, care guide, and step-by-step information at the back. As I was saying earlier, I got this on afrostyling.com. It's a UK based website, and I think they get like all their hair from like the US. Most of the wigs retail from about $35.95, and then shipping is $5.99. So yeah, this wig was $35.95. The shipping was $5.99. It actually came really quick, considering, because last year stock card fell again. Last year when I got it, it took nearly 3 weeks, I think, because I had ordered it on Boxing Day last year, and no, on Christmas Day evening, and it didn't come until like after New Year's. Like I think I got it the 2nd week of January, but this time I ordered it on Boxing Day evening, and it came, that's it, like 3 days later. It took 2 to 3 days, which is like the quickest it's ever taking for like Afro styling. So I was really happy. As I said, it is yaki texture, and it's got like, it's straight obviously, and then it's got like the bumps, which I think kind of make the hair. When I had it, it didn't tangle that much. It only got really tangly like at the back, like at the nape of your neck, just because it is synthetic hair, and I was wearing it like basically every day. It was like my everyday wig, and it is amazing, and it is an everyday wig, but you do need to brush it and really like take care of it, because it does get a bit tangled, but not like really tangled. So the parting is actually quite nice, but it's not like super duper natural, and if you're going for a super duper natural, I would just tweeze it a bit more, especially here at the front. But I would be super careful, because the lace of this wig is really hard. It's not soft lace, so I think that will go under the cons, because of the way the lace is set up. You need to be very careful, because you might tear the lace, and we wouldn't want that. I would definitely recommend this hair, like without a doubt. I'm really happy. I'm sorry guys that I keep touching my hair. I love it so much. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. I am just really like enjoying this hair. Ooh. I just love this hair, guys. Make sure to get this hair on afrostyling.com. I will put the link in the description box, so you guys can check it out. There's obviously all the other websites like Ebony Line. I've got one of my wigs from Ebony Line, but the shipping is a bit too much. Maybe if you live in the US or Canada or elsewhere, it won't be as expensive, but for me it was a no. Like, but the Ebony Line, Sam's Beauty, places like that, you can definitely get it. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. But yeah, love you guys. Bye. Bye.